Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube channel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Ads or AdWords account to your YouTube channel? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your YouTube channel to Google AdWords anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content on YouTube, sometimes you want to promote your videos, or sometimes you want to gather a custom audience. And in order to do that, you have to connect your Google Ads account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube studio, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to link or connect your Google Ads account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Channel. Once you click on Channel, you're going to see these three options. You want to click on Advanced Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see Google Ads account linking right here, and you want to click on Link Account. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and name the link. So I'm going to go ahead and say Anthony AdWords personal account. So this is just for internal, this is just for you to know. And next you're going to need your Google Ads customer ID. So let me jump over to my Google Ads account. Okay, I logged into my Google Ads account. Now in order to get your Google Ads customer ID, it's going to be up here on the top right. It's going to look kind of like a phone number, 3 digits dash, 3 digits dash, and then 4 digits. So 10 digits total. So once you have that, we can go ahead and jump back over to our YouTube studio. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and type in our Google Ads customer ID. Okay, once you type it in, it's going to say accepted underneath. Make sure that you use the dashes. If you put in just the numbers, it's not going to work. So 3 digits dash, 3 digits dash, and then 4 numbers. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the information you're going to share with your Google Ads. For me, I'm going to use all of these: view account, remarketing, and engagement. And then you want to click on done. Okay, once you've done that, you should check the status. It says unsaved. So here on the bottom right, you want to click on save. Okay, there was a pop-up that went by pretty quick. It says settings saved. So let's go back in and check settings here on the gear icon. Click on channel, click on advanced settings, and then scroll down to Google Ads. Okay, now you can see it has been added. So now the status has been updated to awaiting approval. So now we're basically done in the YouTube studio. Now we're going to jump back over here to my Google Ads account. Okay, so I opened up my Google Ads account. What you want to do is up here on the top, you want to click notifications. It looks like a bell. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for this notification, YouTube account link requested, and you want to click on this blue view button. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show you the received request section right here under your data manager. You can see here is my channel, and off to the right, you want to click on this blue view request button. Right next, you want to go ahead and read through this. It lets you know you're going to be sharing this permissions, view counts, remarketing, engagement with YouTube. If you're okay with that, click on approve. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the YouTube channel has now been added into my linked accounts in my Google Ads. Now, if we go back here to my YouTube studio, okay, here we are back in YouTube studio. Let's go ahead and refresh the screen. Okay, now we're going to go here to settings, channel, advanced settings, and then scroll down to Google Ads. Okay, now you can see my Google Ads account is now connected to my YouTube studio. You can see the status is now linked. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.